Yo, it's your boy Rush. Love me till you hate me. They only love you when you're doing bad. The second you're doing good, they wanna hate you. They wanna hate you. Love is fake and I hate it. It's fake but I need it. Yes, it's fake and we know it. If it's fake, why we show it? Oh, it sounds like I'm a poet. Love them cause I'm on top until I hit the rock bottom. Yo, everybody is your friend as long as they can benefit. But life is so unfair, like a long ass punishment. Life is full of misery, there ain't nobody missing me. Miserably, I smile but you see my pain visibly. Literally, they wanna get rid of me, the envy. Fuck them first and damn me, your words don't offend me. But then be you angry, just maybe I'll fall off. I'm like a dick on Viagra, I will never go soft. Yo, hate me if you hate me, but you have no reason to. You say that you hate me, but it's me you listen to. And I can see shit clear. Closed mouth is an open ear. The less you talk, the more you hear. Love me, love me, love me, love me till you hate me, hate me, hate me, hate me till you need me, need me, need me. Fuck what you believe in. I'm number one as long as I'm breathing. Love me, love me, love me, love me till you hate me, hate me, hate me, hate me till you need me, need me, need me. Fuck what you believe in. I'm number one as long as I'm breathing. This life is so cold, my heart is really frozen. I was given this life, this is not what I've chosen. I'm locking the doors in, no permission he goes in. Fuck this fucking haters with my dick in the bowls in. Rappers rap about sex, drugs and how they're bowling. How much money they're blowing, how their pockets are swollen, how that chain is glowing. You fucking retards, I can tell you your future and I ain't got to read cards. Rappers with no hearts, kids look at you like a role model. So fuck you and that expensive bottle. I know what you're thinking, Rush is a fucking bastard, but I'm killing my competition, somebody buy him a casket. See me when you see me, get your ass kicked. I'm addicted to success, dog, I'm an addict. I don't need a rehab. Fake hustlers break your kneecap, and everything we see, we grab. Love me, love me, love me, love me till you hate me, hate me, hate me, hate me till you need me, need me, need me. Fuck what you believe in. I'm number one as long as I'm breathing. Love me, love me, love me, love me till you hate me, hate me, hate me, hate me till you need me, need me, need me. Fuck what you believe in. I'm number one as long as I'm breathing. They hate you, they love you, they need you, they judge you. They say that you suck but continue to watch you. The snakes, the jealousy, the envy, betrayal. I wanna follow my dreams but I'm so afraid to fail. This life is like a jail, like hell, I never smile. I'm like a lost child but all the hate piled up. Somebody set me free, somebody cut me loose. You either hate me or love me, somebody make them choose. Cause my lyrics are lethal and they're deadly like ether. You can't fuck with me either. Need a break, take a breather, you be that fake rapper that's two-faced, not me. Can't swallow my pride like toothpaste. I go hard, baby, I'm so fucking